how to buy Alice in Wonderland token. So this token came under the symbol of Alice. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under this Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. As you can see, now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Alice token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.